Hello YouTube, welcome to Straight to the Point. This is a 2017 Chevy Sonic and we had our engine lights on. I have not started the car. The car is just on the on position and we need to check and figure out how to fix what is going on with the car. So you need to invest in one of these. You need to invest in one of these. So we see we got two codes found. So let's see what codes they are. Read. We have a P0300. We got a P0599. These two have been bothering me, making the car shake when I'm driving and when I am at a stop sign. So let's fix it. So as you guys can see, I've already taken my coolant reservoir out. I drained everything out of it, so there is nothing in it, so I can just move it out of the way. You can still have it in, you can still have the coolant in it, but just make sure that it doesn't pour out from the sides. Okay, just put it on the side. The P0599 is this, your thermostat housing, practically. I ordered one, and before it gets here, we're going to take this one out. And the P0300 is a misfire code, which is right here. This one has 4 cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our third one is practically this one. But I'm going to change everything, including I'm going to change the coils also, and see if I'm going to be able to fix everything. So stay tuned. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take, there are 4 bolts, 1, 2, right there at the bottom here. There's a third one right here, and there's a 4th one right out here. So I'm going to take the 4 out, and after that I'm going to take all the plugs connected to it, all of them, and the hoses. I'm going to take everything off. Okay, then I can prepare myself to put a new one in. It's pretty easy to take it off. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Disconnect that, disconnect that hose, disconnect that hose. Make sure the car is not hot. Disconnect that and that, and that should just come off. Let's do it. Okay, so the 4 bolts are out. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Now I believe if there we go. See how easy it comes off? I don't know if you guys can see it right there. See that? Now make sure you catch your coolants, okay? But for me, it's my house, so I don't care. But I'm gonna take the hoses out. 1, 2, 3. There's one at the bottom over there. And after that, I'll take this plug out, and that one too. And that should just slide right out. Update. There we go. Taking it off. One thing that I forgot to mention is this right here. Okay, this got 2 8mm bolts. It sits right there. It's right at the bottom, right here. It sits like this. Okay, so right at the bottom here is where it is. So it sits like that. Okay, and 2 hoses here. 1 big hose right here. This one at the top, and a sensor. And I believe inside this housing right here, if you take these 4 bolts off, you're going to see the thermostat. Okay, so there it is. Change this, and that should fix your P0599. I've forgotten. I've forgotten about the code, but I'll tell you guys. Yeah. Now let's get to the P0300. We're gonna change. I changed. Yeah, let me put this across. I changed all the spark plugs. It still did not go away, so I'm gonna change this coil, because the coil might be bad, to a brand new one and see if that fixes No problem. All right. See you later. All right. So these are the two used ones. This one and that one. That one is ripped off. For the two new ones. This one comes as a metal, which is I think way better with all the sensors. Let's open this and see. Let's see how it looks like. All right. There we go. So as you can see in it, it has the thermostats in there. Okay. You can see it right in there. Then it has that sensor. Okay. Then it has that sensor. Both of them. And this side is a metal. This is looking perfect. Amazing. It is perfect. So it already has everything in place. You just have to just plug and play. Alright? Now let me plug everything and let you guys know how it is gonna go later. Okay guys, so I just finished replacing the new one. Everything is looking good. Okay, everything is looking good, everything is connected, and I just swapped that too. The ignition coil, I just changed that too. Now we are going to test it and see how this works. All right, let's see how it works. Welcome back to Straight to the Point. As you guys can see, both lights is just gone. No engine light, nothing exists, and the car is just running more smoother than it could. So if you need to fix your P0303, P0302, P0301, P0303, P0300, this is your culprit. Mine was broken and that fixed it for me. P0303, and this fixed my P0599. I had that engine light for so long. Oh my God. Now, everything is fixed. Every single thing is fixed with the engine running smoother than ever. Perfect. 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 Straight to the point, baby.